this is what we're working with. It is a holy hot mess. Look, Christmas stuff, and it's March. You got my husband's paintball stuff, some extension cords, more Christmas stuff, a bow stuff, organizational bins that apparently I've not used, and just stuff. Oh, more Christmas stuff. This is just random crap. Gift baskets. So this is what we're working with. It's so bad. And lighting is absolutely horrific down here, so bear with me. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the bins and then just try to get all the Christmas stuff out first, and then we'll go with that.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes.
Alright, I have been down here for almost 3 hours, I guess. And I've gotten a lot done. I threw out one huge black garbage bag. And then, so this is where we're at now. I still have all of this stuff. I had all of these. They're actually book bins that I had gotten from Walmart. We used them for the book fair one year. So I just put all like the glasses, the cups, little extra frames, some tins, and some jars in there. This is sewing stuff. Not that I have actually figured out how to sew, but. And then this section over here, I have to still work on. I think, and then I moved this stuff over here. This is Christmas stuff that needs to go upstairs in the attic. These are all blank shirts and tanks for when I do the iron-on decals. These are a bunch of pink bows and then just random cheer bows. My husband's paintball stuff still there. This back here is actually, my husband used to DJ, and I mean he still does sometimes. But this, what I think I may do is move that over there because it's not used as often. So I think I'm going to do that. And then this is just all of my nail stuff from when I used to work in the salon. progress we've made in 2 hours. It's not a lot.
Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind? Or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong. But it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Yeah. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Little crazy for you now. Oh, yeah, crazy for you.
Alright, I am going to take a break because my back's killing me and I'm kind of just walking in circles. So, this half. I mean, realistically, it's never really going to be completely organized because it's a craft room and I just have too much stuff. But it's stacked in semi-organized piles. And then over here is just the hottest mess ever. So, still have to get to all of that.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too.
Alright, we are making progress. Now trust me, it is not exactly how it's supposed to be, but it's quasi organized. Now I'm just working on this little corner over here.
Reason send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life. Rough and away, we'll around the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Find behind the line. If you believe in love, give me a feeling. If you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I got a feeling you're gonna reach me too. Rough and away, we're around the world together. So off and away, come again. It's now or never. We're going away. You never know what we will find behind the line. Behind the line.
I am as done as I possibly can be. It's not perfect, but it is 1,000 times better than